Hi, I'm Catherine Diorio with CulinaryCurator.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Brie Crostini. All you do is you take a piece of baguette, slice it, you're going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, bake it off in the oven at 400 for a few minutes till it's nice and golden brown. I've already done that for us. Then I just have some apricot marmalade. Now you can use all different flavors here. You can use apricot marmalade, you can use roasted fruit, whatever you like, whatever you think you like to pair with Brie. I'm going to use apricot marmalade because it's kind of the perfect combination. Then you get a nice slice of Brie. You're going to want it softened a little bit, and if you'd like, you can trim the rinds off. Some people like the flavor of the rind, but you can trim it. I'm going to trim ours off here, and then you're just going to put that on top, like so. Okay, so we're just going to pop this in the oven at 400 for a few minutes until the cheese starts to melt. Okay, I just took these out of the oven, and the cheese is all melted now, and so all we have left to do is garnish. I'm just going to put a few chopped walnuts over the top, and there you have it, a Brie Crostini. I'm Catherine Diorio with CulinaryCurator.com.